Are you dreaming of building a new life for your family abroad, but don't know where to start? We see you. Many families, just like yours, walk through our doors with a hope for a brighter future. At International Consulting Services, we turn that hope into a clear plan. When a couple came to our Karachi office, they were welcomed by our expert consultants team. Our staff members listened to their needs in detail and assessed their qualifications and explained the best family settlement and visa options for them as per their budget. With our honest guidance, they felt confident to begin their application. The process took patience, but the result was a dream come true. Their visa was approved. Our support didn't stop there. We helped them with everything from pre-departure planning to settling into their new home. If you want to settle abroad with your family, let us guide you. Visit the International Consulting Services Karachi branch office today. Your journey to a new life starts here. Subscribe for more success stories